Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate you that how you can solve your audio video sync issue. So why it happens? You can see in the bottom line I imported my original audio, and in the top one I just re-edited my audio in Audacity, basically just clearing the noise. But you can see that the original audio have the same frame rates as the video, but the clear audio have some additional frame rates. So that's why it is unsyncing or out of the sync in video when you render it out. So to solve this, just zoom in at the end part of the audio like this and just press S and try to scale it like this. And now if you render it out, it will be in sync. So that's for all. Thank you very much. My name is HarishLohar.